Hey you guys, okay, so today we are doing a affordable hair and makeup look, a full hair and makeup glam, okay? I never did this on my page, but I'm trying to get more of that content out, so I'm about to push it, okay? I am going to do a synthetic wig. I've already reviewed this wig. I'll link the video in the description. But this is the Sensational Flamboyage wig in the color Caramel. It's the Cloud 9 Wet Lace. This is so bomb. And I'm thinking of doing like an all drugstore. So we are going to be doing a full affordable hair and makeup glam. I don't know if I'm gonna talk in this or not. I may or may not. I may do a voiceover, but because I want to listen to some music. But yeah, so before we get into it, make sure you comment below what you want to see next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as I take this YouTube serious. I've had YouTube for like 6 years, but I'm gonna take it serious, okay? It's New Year's Eve. I'm filming this on New Year's Eve, okay? Because I'm going into 2022. You know, just serious. I'm being serious, okay? So let's get into it. I hope you enjoy, and let me know what you want to see next. Let me know what you want me to review next, and I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna start by installing this wig. I'm not a professional, so like, okay, if you want to critique, you definitely can, because I'm always looking to become better. I only wear my wigs like once and then just put them back. So I wore this once and then put it right back. So I do sell my wigs. They're refurbished, and I sell them for like, the synthetic wigs, I'll be selling them for like $10, $17. As you guys know, synthetic wigs be like $50, $60. So I want to say that this wig was like, what, like $50, but as you can see, I literally only wore it once. Shop my links for my refurbished wigs, but let's get into the video and see how this comes out. Okay guys, so I usually just put my wigs on. I do not do all the ball cap methods and all of that, because I normally don't keep my wigs on that long, especially synthetic. I don't sleep in my synthetic wigs. Let me see, is this big head friendly? Like, so another thing is, I don't know how to braid. So as y'all saw in the beginning, I have a bun, and my bun is kind of fat. I have like kind of a fat bun, but because my bun is not super small and I don't know how to braid. Yeah, it's big hair friendly though. Oops, there we go, just ripped it a little bit. But like, look how natural it is already. Like, literally just like can throw this on, like, and it's already good to go. But I think I'm gonna maybe just pull out a little section of baby hair. It's not too much, because I like this, I like the natural look. This is really pretty. This wig is so pretty to me. And then I think I'm gonna do like, I don't know, I want to do some, I want to do orange. I want to do like a nice little orange, like almost like fall look. So we'll see, but let's get into this little wig install this wig. It's gonna be easy because the lace is already cut off. And let's go. I keep saying let's go, but like, let's keep moving. So I'm about to clip these ends up.
a cleanest. Clothes when me rockin' at the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can I blow breeze from the head of the penis? Coolest breeze that me rockin' a sleeveless. Ease out, ease out.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side, oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride, I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys, we up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied, I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died, they won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied, ayy. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fuck up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side, oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride, I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys, we up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied, I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died, they won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Insert.